All right, YouTube, this is your boy Brandon from Elite Cards and Collectibles. For this week's episode, we're going to be doing the unboxing on Pokemon 25th Anniversary Jumbo Packs. As you can see, these Jumbo Packs come with 2 booster cards and 3 Jumbo Pokemon cards of the starters. So for this one, we got Oshawott, the pig in the background is going to be Tepig, and the green snake is Snivy. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna leave the jumbo cards in there. All right, so our 2 boosters is gonna be Pokemon Sun and Moon, and then the next one's gonna be Sword and Shield Battle Styles. Okay, let's see what we got. There's the trainer card if you guys want to use that. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we got Water Energy, Pokeball, Pelipper, we got Repel, Bonsweet, Alolan Diglett, Dratini, Sandygast, Mortal. We got a holographic energy switch. Last one is Beware. All right, not bad, not bad. Battle Styles pack, here we go. There's a trainer card. 3, 4. We got another Water Energy. Pharaoh. Cardinalvine. Phoebe. Cacnea. We got a Bronzor. Salandit, Gligar, Baltoy. We got a reverse holographic, I believe, Heatmore. And the last one is, we got a Colossal holographic. Let's go check out the jumbo cards. All right, so we have a Snivy. We got Tepig, Oshawott. These are jumbo versions of the smaller ones for the starter cards. And as you can see, what makes these guys unique is that for the 25th anniversary, they got this little shiny holographic looking Pikachu with the year 25 on it. Put these guys right here. This was the collector's book that came out first, and it came with Pikachu. So we got Pikachu right here. Grookey, Scorbunny, we got Sobble, Rowlet, we got Litten, Popplio, Fennekin, Froakie, and then Chespin. So later on, I'm going to put the other cards in here. So for this 25th anniversary, for all the starters for the different series, They're going to put them in here. One coming out every month. I did grow up with Pokemon. I kind of regret, actually, no, I should rephrase that. I do regret getting rid of my Pokemon cards. Because, oh boy, my collection was good. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for joining in on Elite Cards and Collectibles. Please hit the like, follow, and subscribe button. And if you don't mind, leave a comment down below to let me know what kind of content you'd like to see in the future. Laters. Yeah.